Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript for each. The for each method calls a function, a callback function, once for each array element. Let me give an example. Let's come in here and type script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna type const numbers equals, within square brackets I'm gonna type in here 45 4, 9, 16, 25, and semicolon. Next line I'm gonna type in here let text equals empty string, semicolon, and I'm gonna type in here numbers dot for each, and let's remove it for now, and I'm gonna type in here my function, and let's copy the name of this function here, and let's define this function in the next line. Function, let's paste the name here, and it will receive 3 arguments. First would be value, second index, and third would be an array. And then I'm gonna come in here and type text plus equals value, and then I'm gonna, or simply you can come in here and simply log the value, hit save. Number is not defined. Let's add as here, hit save. We still get an error. Cannot read properties of undefined, reading for each. Sorry, I added here array. Delete it, hit save, and we get 4, 9, 16, and 25. And that was all about the for each. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.